Hello IG Garage family, are you seeing the P0245 code flashing on your dashboard? This code means there's an issue with your turbocharger or supercharger wastegate solenoid. In this video we'll cover what the P0245 code means, the location of the wastegate solenoid, and common causes and how to fix it. Make sure to stick around till the end for my video suggestions on P0236 and P0504. Let's get into it. The P0245 code indicates a problem with the turbocharger wastegate solenoid. This component controls the wastegate valve, which helps regulate the turbocharger's boost pressure. If the solenoid fails, it can lead to issues with the turbo system, resulting in poor engine performance, reduced power, and poor fuel economy. When the Powertrain Control Module, or PCM, detects a malfunction with the wastegate solenoid circuit, it triggers the P0245 code. Symptoms of P0245 include the check engine light coming on, reduced turbo boost, poor acceleration and performance, increased fuel consumption, and turbocharger performance issues. Common causes of P0245. First, a faulty wastegate solenoid. If the solenoid itself is malfunctioning, it may not be able to control the wastegate properly. Second, wiring issues, damaged or corroded wiring in the solenoid circuit can trigger the code. Third, a clogged or damaged wastegate valve. A damaged or stuck wastegate valve can cause problems with the turbo's operation. And finally, a blown fuse. A fuse controlling the solenoid may be blown, which prevents the solenoid from functioning. Wastegate solenoid location. The wastegate solenoid is located near the turbocharger and is typically mounted on the intake manifold or turbocharger assembly itself. It is connected to the wastegate valve, which controls the turbocharger's boost pressure. Location tip. Look for the solenoid with the wiring harness attached, leading to the wastegate actuator on the turbocharger. Note: in some cases the solenoid can be located near the engine block or attached to the air intake system. Wiring and fuse check. The wiring connected to the solenoid should be checked for any visible damage, fraying, or corrosion. Check the fuse box for any blown fuses that may control the wastegate solenoid circuit. First, check the wastegate solenoid visual inspection. Start by inspecting the solenoid for any visible damage or leaks. Solenoid test. Use a multimeter to test the solenoid's electrical resistance and compare it to manufacturer specifications. If the solenoid is faulty, it needs to be replaced. Second, inspect the wiring and connectors. Inspect the wiring leading to the solenoid for any damage or corrosion. Ensure all connections are secure and clean. Third, check the wastegate valve. Ensure the wastegate valve is not sticking or clogged. Manually move the valve to check for smooth operation. If it's stuck, it may need lubrication or replacement. Fourth, test the fuse. Check the fuse box for any blown fuses related to the solenoid. Replace any blown fuses and retest the system. And finally, clear the code. After repairing the solenoid or any other related parts, clear the code using an OBD-II scanner. Take the car for a test drive to ensure the code does not return and the turbo system is working properly. So, that's everything you need to know about the P0245 wastegate solenoid control circuit low. With a little troubleshooting, you can restore your turbo system and get back on the road with full power. Before you go, make sure to check out these related videos. First, P0236, turbocharger boost sensor, a circuit range performance. Second, P0504, brake switch AB correlation. Remember to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you don't miss any updates from IG Garage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.